Hi guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles, and I have in my hands the latest Samsung Galaxy S9. This comes as the successor to the Galaxy S8 and boasts quite a few improvements, especially as far as the camera is concerned. Now the overall design hasn't changed much, and I'll get into the specifics of that later, but interestingly the fingerprint sensor has now been moved below the rear camera, which is a much better placement than last time. For one, the rear camera comes with dual aperture. So basically the aperture can be set between 1.5 to 2.4. The camera comes with its own DRAM chip and can shoot pretty fast. Interestingly, Samsung has included AR capabilities and built them right into the camera, and one of the features is the ability to create personalized 3D emojis, and you can do those with your own face or use Disney characters. Camera on the Galaxy S9 can also do super slow-mo at 960 FPS. At the front you get a 8 megapixel camera sensor. The Galaxy S9 comes with a 5.8-inch QHD Super AMOLED display, and this is an infinity display, edge to edge. Fast wireless charging, Snapdragon 845 or Exynos 9810 processors, 4 GB of RAM up to 256 GB storage, USB Type-C and 3.5 mm set socket, of course. 3000 mAh battery inside and IP68 water resistant. Super slow-mo, live focus, the pro mode on the camera as well. Now if you remember, the predecessor of this phone had iris recognition as well as face recognition built in for authentication purposes, and the Galaxy S9 takes that to another level by changing that to intelligent recognition, which basically combines face and iris recognition, so you can authenticate using that if you don't want to use the fingerprint sensor. Software wise, usual Samsung customized platform, Android Oreo as a base, pretty fast and snappy, looks very stylish. With the glass design is also a bit of a fingerprint magnet, of course. So that, guys, was a quick look at the new Galaxy S9 from Samsung, launched here at MWC 2018. This is Deepak, thanks for watching.